So for lab, we had to measure the force between two magnets as a function of the separation between the center of mass. And after that was achieved, we had to plot the data and then find the mathematical relationship between force and separation. So to do this, we used two batteries, a plastic tube retort stand and a clamp, some metal sinkers, a measuring tape, and some scales. Firstly, we measured the two magnets and each of them weighed 62.2 grams, plus or minus 1 gram. The metal ball sinkers were weighed to be 8.5 grams. The tube was clamped to the retort stand, and one of the magnets were dropped to the bottom of the tube, and the second one dropped on top with the same polar end facing down as the one facing up, so they repelled each other. The gap measured between the two magnets was measured to be 6.2 centimeters. Extra weight was added on top of the magnets to try and lower the separation between the two centers of masses. So with one extra metal ball, the weight was measured to be 70.7 grams, and the distance equal to be 5.8 centimeters, a difference of 0.4 centimeters. Two more balls were then dropped, but the difference between the magnets did not move considerably. So the tube connected to the retort stand was placed on top of the scales so we could calculate the force between the two magnets properly. By obtaining a metal rod, we were able to push down the top magnet so that it would push down the bottom magnet simultaneously, giving us a force in kilograms and the distance. So these are our results, showing the mass, the force between the two magnets, and the distance. With the results, we were able to put it into a graph showing the relationship between the force and the separation of the two magnets. And as you see from the graph, as the distance gets shorter, the force is much more greater. So this concludes Lab 7 on magnetism. Thanks for watching.